Top 10 Most Beautiful Places in Ethiopia. A journey through the land of wonders. Ethiopia, one of the world's oldest civilizations, is a country brimming with history, culture, and jaw-dropping natural beauty. Nestled in the Horn of Africa, Ethiopia is home to a rich tapestry of landscapes that range from rugged highlands to vast deserts, lush forests, and picturesque lakes. Whether you're an adventurer, a history enthusiast, or someone simply looking to explore one of the world's most diverse countries, Ethiopia offers a treasure trove of beautiful and unique locations. From ancient rock-hewn churches to the otherworldly landscapes of the Danakil Depression, this video explores the top 10 most beautiful places in Ethiopia, each showcasing the country's incredible diversity and charm. Let's embark on a journey to uncover the natural and cultural gems of this East African wonderland. 1. Lalibela, the rock-hewn churches. Known as the eighth wonder of the world, Lalibela is a UNESCO World Heritage Site famous for its 11 medieval rock-hewn churches, which are carved directly into the rocks of the mountains. The town, located in the northern part of Ethiopia, is often referred to as the New Jerusalem and holds significant religious importance for Ethiopian Orthodox Christians. These churches were built in the 12th and 13th centuries during the reign of King Lalibela and are remarkable for their architectural complexity and spiritual significance. The churches are connected by a series of tunnels and courtyards, making for an awe-inspiring visit. The most famous of these is St. George Church, Beit Georges, a cross-shaped church carved out of solid volcanic rock. Lalibela's landscape is equally breathtaking, with the surrounding mountains providing a dramatic backdrop to the ancient churches. Visiting Lalibela offers a unique glimpse into Ethiopia's rich history, faith, and architectural brilliance. 2. Simien Mountains National Park, a majestic mountain range. Located in the northern highlands of Ethiopia, Simien Mountains National Park is one of the most stunning places in the country. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, this park is known for its dramatic landscapes, towering peaks, deep valleys, and unique wildlife. The Simien Mountains are often referred to as the roof of Africa because they contain some of the highest peaks in the country, including Ras Dashen, the highest mountain in Ethiopia at 4,550 meters, 14,928 feet. The park's rugged terrain is ideal for trekking and hiking, and visitors can enjoy panoramic views of the mountains, canyons, and lush plateaus. Along the way, you may encounter the Galata baboon, an endangered species unique to the Ethiopian highlands, and the Wolia ibex, a wild goat found only in this region. The Simien Mountains also have a unique climate, with different altitudes offering a variety of ecosystems, from dense forests at lower altitudes to alpine meadows at higher elevations. The breathtaking views and diverse wildlife make the Simien Mountains a must-visit destination for nature lovers and adventurers alike. 3. Omo Valley, a cultural mosaic. The Omo Valley, located in the southwest of Ethiopia, is one of the most culturally rich regions in the country. This area is home to a number of indigenous tribes, each with its own distinct languages, traditions, and ways of life. The valley offers a rare opportunity to experience the cultural diversity of Ethiopia and its vibrant tribes. Some of the most famous tribes of the Omo Valley include the Hamar, Mercy, Suri, and Karo tribes. These tribes are known for their elaborate body decorations, traditional ceremonies, and unique customs. A visit to the Omo Valley is an opportunity to immerse yourself in a world that has remained largely untouched by modernity, where time seems to stand still. In addition to its cultural allure, the Omo Valley is also home to striking landscapes, with vast savannas, arid deserts, and the Omo River flowing through the valley. The combination of natural beauty and rich cultural heritage makes the Omo Valley one of the most fascinating places to visit in Ethiopia. 4. Lake Tana, Ethiopia's largest lake. Located in the northwest highlands of Ethiopia, Lake Tana is the largest lake in the country and an important part of Ethiopia's history. The lake is the source of the Blue Nile River, which flows into the Nile and eventually reaches Egypt. Lake Tana is a peaceful and scenic destination, surrounded by lush hills and monasteries. One of the highlights of visiting Lake Tana is the opportunity to explore the island monasteries that dot the lake. These monasteries, which date back to the 14th century, are known for their beautiful murals, religious artifacts, and serene surroundings. Some of the most famous monasteries include Kebren Gabriel and Ura Kadei Merid, both of which are accessible by boat. In addition to its historical and cultural significance, Lake Tana is also a paradise for birdwatchers, with a wide variety of bird species found in the area. The lake's peaceful atmosphere, combined with the surrounding natural beauty, makes it an ideal destination for those seeking tranquility and history. 5. Danakil Depression, a surreal landscape. One of the most otherworldly and surreal landscapes on Earth, the Danakil Depression is located in the northeastern part of Ethiopia, near the border with Eritrea. The Danakil Depression is one of the hottest and most inhospitable places on the planet, with temperatures often soaring above 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. However, despite its harsh conditions, the Danakil Depression is an incredibly unique and beautiful place to visit. The region is known for its volcanic activity, salt flats, geysers, and colorful hot springs. The Dalal area is particularly famous for its striking, multicolored salt formations, acidic hot springs, and bubbling lava pits. The landscape looks almost like a scene from another planet, with vibrant colors and surreal features. In addition to its geothermal wonders, the Danakil Depression is home to the Afari people, a nomadic group who have adapted to life in this harsh environment. A visit to the Danakil Depression offers a chance to witness one of the most unique and extreme landscapes on Earth, making it a must-see for adventurous travelers. 6. Harar Jugal, the Old Walled City. Located in the eastern part of Ethiopia, Harar Jugal is one of the oldest and most culturally significant cities in the country. Known as the City of Saints, Harar is home to 82 mosques and 102 shrines, making it one of the holiest cities in Islam. It is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its historic architecture, colorful markets, and vibrant culture. Harar's Old Town, known as Harar Jugal, is an enchanting maze of narrow alleyways, brightly painted houses, and bustling markets. Walking through the old town feels like stepping back in time, as you pass by ancient buildings, centuries-old doors, and traditional shops selling spices, textiles, and jewelry. The city is also famous for its unique tradition of feeding hyenas, which has been practiced by the local people for centuries. In addition to its rich history and culture, Harar is located near beautiful natural landscapes, including the mountains of Harar, which offer panoramic views of the city and surrounding countryside. 7. Bale Mountains National Park, a hidden gem. Located in the southeastern part of Ethiopia, Bale Mountains National Park is one of the country's most beautiful and remote natural areas. The park is known for its vast plateaus, dense forests, and high-altitude grasslands, as well as its incredible biodiversity. It is home to a wide variety of wildlife, including the Ethiopian wolf, the rarest wolf species in the world, as well as Bale monkeys, warthogs, and gazelles. Bale Mountains is also an excellent destination for trekking and hiking, with trails that offer stunning views of the surrounding landscapes. The park is part of the Bale Mountain Range, which includes Tulu Dimtu, the second highest peak in Ethiopia. The combination of diverse ecosystems and breathtaking scenery makes the Bale Mountains a must-visit for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts. 8. Blue Nile Falls, the Niagara of Ethiopia. Located near Lake Tana, the Blue Nile Falls, also known as Tis Isef Falls, meaning water that smokes, is one of Ethiopia's most stunning natural wonders. The falls are fed by the Blue Nile River, which originates from Lake Tana and flows towards Sudan and Egypt. The Blue Nile Falls is often referred to as the Niagara of Ethiopia due to its impressive size and power. The falls cascade over a 45-meter drop, creating a dramatic mist that gives the falls its name. The surrounding landscape is lush and green, with dramatic cliffs and scenic viewpoints. The falls are best visited during the rainy season, when the water volume is highest, creating a powerful and awe-inspiring display of nature. 9. Aksum, the ancient capital of Ethiopia. Aksum, Located in the northern part of Ethiopia, is one of the oldest cities in the world and was once the capital of the Aksumite Empire, one of the greatest civilizations of ancient Africa. The city is home to several historical and cultural sites, including obelisks, stela, and churches, as well as the famous Church of St. Mary of Zion, which is said to house the Ark of the Covenant. Aksum is also known for its impressive ancient architecture, with stone ruins that date back over 2,000 years. A visit to Aksum is a journey through Ethiopia's ancient past, offering a glimpse into the country's rich history and cultural heritage. 10. Danakil Depression, Afar Region. The Danakil Depression in the Afar region is one of the most extreme and beautiful places on Earth. It's one of the hottest and most inhospitable places, famous for its volcanoes, salt deposits, and unique mineral hot springs. This place has an alien landscape that is dotted with lava lakes, salt plains, and scorching geysers, making it one of the most unique places in the world to visit. Ethiopia's diverse landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and ancient history make it one of the most beautiful and intriguing destinations in Africa. From the rock-hewn churches of Lalibela to the surreal landscapes of the Danakil Depression and the rugged beauty of the Bale Mountains, Ethiopia offers something for every traveler. Whether you're interested in exploring ancient civilizations, immersing yourself in vibrant cultures, or marveling at nature's wonders, Ethiopia is a destination that promises an unforgettable experience. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.